How to silence reminder notification alert sound in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and haptics. Now click on sounds and haptics. After clicking on sounds and haptics, then you can see the option reminder alerts. Now click on it. If you want to silence your reminder alerts notification sound, then simply select none. And if you want to select another sound, then simply you can select another sound. And if you want to silence notification alert sound, then simply select none. So this is the way to silence reminder notification alert sounds in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.